All right, this is gonna be the Building 4 elevator here at the Disney Port Orleans Resort. And it looks like they're right here. Let's call it. Going up. All right, 3. Well, this one also has the other kind of Series 1 braille.
You see it through the crack.
Yep, here we go. Listen. Here on 3. Four. Look at that caged staircase area there.
Oh yeah.
We'll also look at the call station on 2 just for the heck of it.
Star 2, that's weird.
Yeah, that's weird, yeah. We got 2 stars. The Wilderness Lodge elevators, one of the banks had 2 stars prior to that mod.
There's that elevator Rona that has the same thing that TisneyCrop.
Uh-huh. Now these ones, they didn't replace any of the buttons with the newer Series 1. Hi. Oh, we're good. We just like elevators. Okay, yeah, let's...
Yeah, the elevator, of course.
Hear the fan a little bit. Alright, here in 1, we'll watch them, see if any leveling. Not really. See if we can, yeah, we're going this way because that's toward the lobby. It's probably gonna nudge. Here it goes. That's it. Didn't nudge.